Hey guys, Mike from HPJ here again with something a little different we're working on. This is a 67 Ford Mustang Fastback that we got in from a customer. It was built by another builder. This car was not built by us. It's actually came to us to essentially straighten it out. The bones of the car are very good, but the execution was not. We've removed the majority of the front clip. We've begun rewiring the car. We will be replumbing the fuel system. And once the mods are done underneath the hood, possibly supercharging depending on what the customer's budget is after all the important mods are done. So this jumbled spaghetti looking mess of wires here is some of the reason why this build is being redone. The customer brought the car in for us to look over, and the wiring is an absolute nightmare. This is an issue that can separate a okay build from an amazing build. This wiring is atrocious. If you have to go in for any kind of repair work later on, you're going to have nothing but issues, not to mention the failure points. This is actually the power feed for the amplifier is running off the power feed to the alternator, causing way too much amp draw on that very small circuit. Issues like this could lead to a person's classic car burning down, costing them, you know, a vehicle, possibly a house, possibly their lives. These are the issues that some builders cut corners on. We don't. We strive for perfection on every build that we do. So we're going to essentially remove all the wiring out of this car and start from scratch to put it to the level that we're comfortable with putting the HPJ name on.
At the moment, we're waiting on 2 factory style inner fender aprons for the red 68. The customer came in, wanted some upgrades to the car, but due to previous fabrication and stuff, he didn't really have enough room, so we had to basically reconstruct the entire engine bay. So in this one, we wanted to clean up the engine bay a little bit, but not make it look completely blank. So we added some custom bead rolled panels in here with without the coil over cutout. Since the guy has a roadster shop chassis, we don't need the big pocket on the side anymore. So we tried to shave everything as nice as we could. This will all get body worked and shaved real nice, painted. I think the customer's going like a burnt orange color on the whole car, so it'll be orange inside and out. And the interior will be black, but so we just custom made inner fenders, top rails, and a core support. And I'm currently finishing up the fabrication on the car. Then we'll hand it over to Grady for him to do the wiring. And then once the engine's put back in, we'll start doing all our plumbing and hard lines, like the coolant lines and the intake and stuff like that. Oh, he's gonna have an external electric water pump, so that'll have a bunch of custom aluminum tubing going on as well. So as soon as those parts come in, we'll get back onto fab work and hopefully wrap this project up. We're gonna do like a custom sheet metal engine bay. It's gonna look very similar to this one right behind me. Customer kind of had the same situation going on.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can catch up on all the updates on the 67 Mustang as it makes its way through the build process.